Today we are going to create a beautiful button like this. When we use these types of buttons in our project, it attracts the users. This button is made with HTML and CSS only. This is my basic HTML template. In body section, first I create a link with anchor tag. Now I have to define CSS styles in my style tag. First I target whole body and apply some CSS like height is 100 viewport. It should be displayed as flex, and I want anchor tag in vertically and horizontally center. So I used justify content center and align center property. Now my anchor tag is in vertically and horizontally center. In second step, I target anchor tag and define its CSS as follows. Text decoration is none. I want its text color as red. Use font as sans serif. Font size is 45 pixel. Here I gave border to anchor tag as 5 pixel solid with red color. Give some extra padding from top and bottom as 40 pixel. Also right and left 80 pixel. Further, I want its position to relative. Give letter spacing as a 2 pixel. Border radius is also very important for looking very attractive. So apply 50 pixel from left, right, top and bottom. Apply transition property to all with 1 second so that it transits smoothly. I make some little correction here. Here I use pseudo elements like before. The before selector inserts something before the content of each selected elements. I want content is null, which is compulsory property of before. Position of anchor tag is absolute so that it is in the fixed position. Its position is from left side is 0 pixel and top side is also 0 pixel. I use background color is to be red. Give height to 100%, that means full width. Also give width to 100% means full width. Apply Z index property and its value to be -1 so that it goes back of anchor tag element. I apply transform property to rotate its horizontal direction to 90 degree, that is used rotate x property to 90 degree. Also apply transition effect to all property for 1 second so it gives smooth effect. Now we have to apply some CSS properties by using pseudo element after when user have anchor button. First and compulsory property is content that will be the null value. Give position to absolute so it fixes as its proper position. Give value of left to 0 and top to 0. I copied these CSS properties from here and paste here. In after position, I will change the transform rotate property from X to Y so it can move vertically. A colon over colon before. Here transform to rotate in horizontal direction with 0 degree. And change color from red to white. It look like this. I copy all these CSS and paste here instead of before to after. Here I change the rotate direction from X to Y, means horizontal to vertical. When user hovers on an anchor tag, we have to change the text color from red to white. You will see the output in browser. Here we made a beautiful and attractive button on link with pure HTML and CSS properties. Thanks for watching.